Welcome to Math Bytes. I'm Allison. Today we're talking about rational numbers. The rational numbers are a subset of the real numbers. The real numbers are the numbers we use mostly in real life. The real numbers are made up of all the rational numbers and all the irrational numbers. Let's start with a couple of definitions. The integers are all the whole numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., and all their negative counterparts, -1, -2, -3, etc. A rational number is any number that can be written as an integer over an integer. So, for example, 0, 1/3, -5/4, -237, 17, -137 over 150. These are all rational numbers. Now, don't forget, I can put any integer over the number 1 and not change its value. So I can write 0 as 0 over 1, -237 over 1, 17 over 1. These are all integers over integers and therefore rational numbers. Here's a fun fact. Rational numbers always have either terminating or repeating decimal representations. So 1/3 as a decimal is 0.33333, etc. -5/4 is -1.25. 17 over 6 is 2.83333. These are all rational numbers, and their decimal representations either terminate or repeat. Now that's very useful when distinguishing them from the irrational numbers. Irrational numbers have non-repeating, non-terminating decimal representations. Here's a question for you. Why is it incorrect to write pi is equal to 22 over 7? That is absolutely incorrect. But do you know why? Pi is a well-known constant and an irrational number. The decimal representation of pi just goes on and on and on and never ends. It never repeats and it never terminates. Therefore, pi is irrational. 22 over 7 is an integer over an integer, and they're by definition rational. So when you write pi equals 22 over 7, you're saying an irrational number is equal to a rational number, and that's not so. 22 over 7 is a good approximation to pi, but only an approximation. It is absolutely not equal. As you go along in math, you'll see mentions of rational and irrational numbers, so it's important to understand the difference and know what they are. They'll come up later on. That's it for this episode of Math Bytes. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel. And if you have a topic you'd like us to discuss or a question you'd like us to answer, send us an email. We're at contactmathbytes@gmail.com, and we'll see you next time.